Hi everybody, this is Mr. Russ from Elkhart Elementary Academy. Today we're going to put on our thinking caps and think about how you pay attention when someone is speaking and why is it important to pay attention to someone who's talking to the class. So make sure you have your writing materials, pencil, notebook handy, and get ready to talk about some of this. What is paying attention? Paying attention means you're listening and thinking about what is being said. What should you do to show someone you are listening to them? So talk in your group about the kinds of things that you can do to let a speaker or someone talking to your class know that you are listening. I'll give you a minute to do that. And remember, you can always pause this video if you need more time. When you are talking to others, how do you know they are paying attention to you? What kinds of things do they do to show you? What could happen if people don't pay attention to the speaker or the teacher? What could happen? So get out your notebooks, write down some of these questions and answers, put them in your own words in complete sentences, and you can pause this video if you need more time to write. So what should you do to show someone you're listening to them? When you are talking, how do you know others are listening to you? And what would happen, or what could happen, if people don't pay attention? Why is it important to pay attention to someone who is speaking? Paying attention is respectful, and we're trying to work on becoming respectful, responsible problem solvers. Paying attention will help you remember things. Paying attention helps you ask good questions. You will make your teacher happy if you pay attention, and your parents, and anybody else that's trying to talk to you. So here's your skill steps for paying attention. You probably want to write these down as we go. I will pause at the end, and you can always pause the video if you need more time. Number 1, eyes are looking at the speaker. Number 2, ears are listening carefully. Number 3, mouth is closed unless you have an important question and you raise your hand. Number 4, hands are folded or writing important things down. Number 5, brain is thinking about what they are saying. So make sure you write those down. If you need to pause the video, you can do that. So now we're ready to do some role play. Remember, make sure you take both sides of the role play. So first you get to play one part, then you can be the other person. A student is talking to the class about their hobby. What should you do to show you are listening? Then we'll put another one up here, and then we can pause so you get a chance to try those out. There's a guest in the classroom talking about Russia. What should you do to show you are listening? Make sure you have your skill steps handy so you can practice all the parts. Also practice what happens when you don't follow the skill steps. Couple more role plays here. School principal meets with your class to discuss lunch problems. What should you do to show you're listening? And one more, your teacher's talking about the Civil War. There's a test tomorrow. What should you do to show you are listening? And you can come up with your own role play situations. So you may want to pause the video to give yourself a chance to go through those role plays. So for practice, write the skill steps. Try to do that from memory. See if you can do it without looking. And then watch some videos and talk about how people can pay attention. So hopefully you've learned something about paying attention today, and you'll be able to put that into practice. It will make you a better learner. So this is Mr. Rust from Elkhart Elementary Academy signing off. Have a wonderful day.